Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this makeup look, and all the products that I'll be showing you guys in this video are all black owned. These are all products I've been using for a while and I love every single one of them. I did order 2 more things that I haven't used before, but they haven't come yet and I really wanted to get this video out this week. So I've mentioned it in the video, but again I'll mention it here. So it was the Beauty Bakerie powder and a beauty sponge that's also black owned. So I'm gonna stop talking and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So the first product I'll be showing you guys is the serum by Wild Seed Botanicals. You can use this in the AM and the PM. So I'm just literally gonna put a drop on each side of my face. Next, let's move on to foundation. This is a foundation that I've already used on my channel before. It's the Uoma Beauty foundation. This foundation is a little bit too dark for me, so I'm only going to use 1 pump and I'm going to highlight a lot. Foundation is really nice, it's really liquidy and it's super full coverage, which I love. Because I have quite long nails at the moment, I'm just going to put it on my face with a brush and I'll blend that out with a beauty blender. So I did order a beauty sponge that was also black owned, but yeah, it just hasn't come yet and I really wanted to get this video out this week. I'll just put the name of the company on screen so you guys can have a look if you want to. I follow Melissa's Wardrobe on Instagram and she highly recommended it. So for concealer, I'll be using the Juvia's Place concealer in 12. Label around the tube has rubbed off, but it's number 12, I do know that. I'm going to be using quite a bit of concealer just to brighten up my face a little bit because that foundation is a bit dark for me. On a normal day I wouldn't use this much. So Juvia's Place is based in America, I think. They do ship out to the UK. Shipping wasn't that expensive, if I can recall. And there isn't any customs charge when it gets here, which is so annoying. When you order something from outside of the UK, you pay extra for shipping and it gets here and you have to pay another charge. I remember when I first ordered from Meshki and I didn't know that the custom charge is by way of the packaging. The total of the delivery ended up being more than what I ordered, which is actually ridiculous. Okay, so that really brightened up my face. So off camera, I just powdered my face and primed my eyelids. So today I'll be using another product from Juvia's Place. It is this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is called, I think it's called Tribe, because that's what it says on the front. If I'm wrong, I'll put the name of it on screen. It's a very green palette. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a green smoky eye. I think I'm going to be using this green, and this one. It's coming off blue on camera, but it's like a bluey green. It's called Sand. I don't know if it's going to come off blue on my eyelids. You know what? I'll try these two first, and then if it's not deep enough, then I'll go into Sand. And then a little bit of black too. I'm just going to take like a fluffy blending brush and I'll work this colour into the crease. Juvia's Place palettes, you can literally find them everywhere online in the UK. I know Beauty Bay sell them. My green is really pretty. The colour really isn't shown on camera. I feel like this green by itself is giving me like 90s vibes. I'm going to dip into Tootsie, which is this green. I'm going to put this like kind of on my lid and a little bit in my crease just to see if it's dark enough. Oh, you see, it's not. I'm actually going to go over that first green with this darker green and then I'm just going to use Sand on my lids because I think I prefer that a little bit more. It'll be a bit more intense, which I kind of want. I don't really want like a subtle smoke. I really want like an intense green. So with that backing brush, I'm going to go into Sand, hopefully. Oh yeah, it looks green on the brush. Hopefully it's going to do what, yeah, this. Oh, this is such a pretty colour, don't you think? Oh, this green is nice. I'm going to take that same brush that I used to put on Tootsie, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. I just put a little bit of powder in my inner corner, but there was a teensy bit of fallout. I'm just going to deepen up the outer corners a little bit with some black. First colour that I'm putting down is Tootsie, and then a little bit closer to the lash line I'm going to put Sand. So basically, after you saw me do my under eyes, I just did the rest of my eyes off camera. The products that I used, so the eyelashes, mascara and white eyeliner that I used are not black owned, so I'm not going to include it in this video, so you know, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
So to bronze up my face, I'm using my favourite bronzer, which is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. I'm just going to start off with bronzing my nose. I think I overpowered it a bit. Bronzer is by far my favourite bronzer. I just ordered the Revolution bronzer, so I'm going to be filming a video on that. Probably put that out next week. I feel like my eyes are missing a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going to put Cora, which is this. Try not to tilt the palette too much because I just scuffed it a little bit then. I don't want all the shadow to fall, but I'm going to put this in my inner tear ducts. Highlight a little bit, give a little something. Ooh, oh, this is pretty. I miss you. I did not expect it to look like that. That is really pretty. My eyes look so nice. I didn't expect that highlight colour to be green, and it's so pretty. So for lipstick, I'm using another. I don't think I've featured Beauty Bakerie. No. I did order the powder from Beauty Bakerie to use underneath my eyes for you guys to see, but that hasn't come in time. So it was 2 products that I'm missing from this video. Sorry, excuse me, I'm talking. I forgot what colour this is. I'll leave it on screen. And on top of that, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the original one. Just going to put a little bit in the centre. So this is the finished look using Uoma Beauty products. And I also have another beauty product that isn't on my face, but on my nails. So these are stick-on acrylics. This is from Luma Nails over on Instagram. She has loads of different shapes and all her colours are all like nudie, pinky, brown. That's totally my vibe. That's all that I do on my nails. So I'll leave her at down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I have a new upload. Bye guys.